Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this phone. First we need to open the contacts application on our phone. So find the contacts icon and tap on it to open the contacts app. In the contacts application you should see this page. And you probably will have some contacts right here. If you don't, that's fine. As you can see, we have no contacts on our phone. Now, let's tap on this icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap on the settings. And here you should see option called import/export. Tap on it. Then select import from SIM card. And here we have the list of contacts saved on our SIM card. And we can select which ones we want to copy to our phone. So select the contacts you want to move or copy rather, and once you're done, tap on the import button right here. Select the phone because we want to copy the contacts from SIM to phone, and then go back to the contacts list, and as you can see we have our contacts right here because they were imported from the SIM card. And now we can close the contacts application. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.